Dear students, welcome to my next online classes. Today we will be discussing about the new phylum, that is phylum Mollusca. This word Mollusca is derived from a Greek terminology, that is from Greek word mollis. The meaning of mollis is soft. Since the body of these animals is very soft, very delicate, fragile, very delicate, very soft, very smooth, sticky, the word from mollis, the phylum name is being named as Mollusca. So they are also known as soft-bodied animals. What they are known as? Soft-bodied animals. Clear? So all are soft-bodied animals. For example, just to get an idea, because we talk about general characteristics, the classical example is snails. Snails. What commonly you see, apple snail, garden snail, what we call Pila globusa, apple snail, and all other snails, octopus. So if I say these animals now, it will be easy for you to understand the general characteristics. Fine. Let's move on to the general characteristics of this phylum. Most of them are marine. Most of them are marine. Some are freshwater forms. Some are freshwater forms. So by this we can understand that they are aquatic and also they are terrestrial. Few are terrestrial animals. Terrestrial. But most of these animals belong to aquatic mode of life. Most of them means because this is the second largest phylum of animal kingdom. It comprises about 1 lakh animal species. How many? 1 lakh animals. 1 lakh animals. So among these 1 lakh animals, most of them are aquatic, most are marine, some are freshwater forms, and few are terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. What animals? They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. They are triploblastic, having 3 germ layers. They are eucoelomates. What do you mean by that? They have a definite coelom. They possess a body cavity. What they possess? They possess a body cavity. They are eucoelomates or simply coelomates. Triploblastic, having 3 germ layers, and they are bilaterally symmetrical animals. Some are asymmetrical, few are asymmetrical. Then they show organ system, level of organization. They are, what do you mean by that? They have different organs for specific functions. Yeah. Then the body is divided into 3 parts. One is head. What it has? Head. This head has sense organs called antennae. Fine. Then it has visceral mass and muscular foot. The body is divisible into how many parts? 3 parts. Clear? One is head, which consists of brain, sense organs, antenna-like structures, eyes, mouth parts. Fine. Visceral mass, the complete body, main part of the body, the complete body. Visceral mass of the body. Right? Muscular foot, the foot is muscular, that helps in locomotion. Clear? Fine. And the body is unsegmented. What is it? The body is unsegmented. The body do not have any segmentations, do not have any metameres, no segmentation, but the body is divisible into 3 major parts. Head region, that consists of sense organs, eyes and antenna-like structures. Mouth, they have a rasping mouth, the mouth that helps in catching the prey, holding the prey, rasping. Such a mouth is known as radula. What it is known as? Radula. Mouth is rasping, having many chitinous teeth, right? Radula. The body is unsegmented and the body is covered by, the complete body is covered by chitinous shell. Why we call it as chitinous? Oh, not chitinous shell, it is calcareous shell. What is this? It is made up of calcium. That's why we call it as calcareous. The body is covered by calcareous shell, hard protective covering shell. Shanku. Fine, that shell. Fine. So the body is covered by in that hard protective covering, protective shell-like structure. There is a soft body, soft animal body, having head region, visceral mass and muscular foot. These organs, all these parts are very soft, very delicate, mucilaginous, soft, very smooth. It is covered by hard, protective, calcareous shell. Why we call it as calcareous? Because it is made up of calcium. Hence we call it as calcareous shell. I hope it's clear. Then digestive system is of complete type. What type? Complete type. It has a mouth and as well as anus. It has two openings, mouth and for defecation, anus like structure, two openings. Digestive system is of complete type. Then respiratory system. It takes place through gills in aquatic animals. Gills, right? Clear. Then in case of terrestrial animals, it also takes place through general body surface, through mantle. The body is covered by a soft protective covering known as mantle. Above the mantle, you find the shell. Above the mantle, you find the shell. Clear? So respiration also takes place through gills in case of aquatic animals, general body surface in case of terrestrial animals, and also through mantle. Clear? Then circulatory system. Circulatory system is of open type. What do you mean by open type? The blood don't flows. The blood will be found present in the body cavity. The blood has no definite blood vessels. There are no arteries. There are no veins. These two channels, blood vessels, tubular structures are absent. Hence, the circulatory system we refer as open type of circulatory system. Very important point. As far as this point is concerned, they have blue color blood. What color blood? Blue color. Normally, generally, in most of the animals, right from class or from mammalia or chordata, from chordata till human beings, right? Clear? We find the blood as red in color. These animals, which mollusks, right, soft-bodied animals, snails, octopus, other animals, they have blue color blood. What color? Blue color. Because they have a pigment known as hemocyanin. Because of the presence of hemocyanin, heme refers to iron. Heme also refers to blood. The study of blood we call as hematology. Heme refers to iron, first meaning, second blood. Since the blood is what in color? Blue color. Why it is in blue in color? Because of the presence of a pigment called hemocyanin. Cyanin is a blue color pigment. What color pigment? Cyanin is a blue color pigment. And it's very important point. Then in case of mollusks, the blood is blue in color because of the presence of a respiratory pigment called hemocyanin. Whereas all other animals, they have a blood pigment known as hemoglobin. Right? Hemoglobin that carries oxygen, oxyhemoglobin, brings back carbon dioxide, carboxyhemoglobin, hemoglobin, iron also carries many functions are there. You study in 7th chapter. Here, like other animals have hemoglobin, these animals, all of them have hemocyanin. Excretory system. Excretory system. They excrete through metanephridia. The excretory organs are metanephridia. We have come across this nephridia in annulid also. Metanephridia, they are referred as protonephridia. Metanephridia. The excretory organs are metanephridia. Fine, clear. The aquatic animals are ammonotelic, whereas others are uricotelic. Fine. Yes, excretory organs are excretion takes place through metanephridia. Then reproductive system. They are unisexual animals. What they are? Unisexual animals. They are reproduced by sexual method. Reproduced by sexually. Whereas fertilization is external. Fertilization is external. What do you mean by that? The fertilization takes place outside the female body. Outside the female body. Then, next point, development. It takes place both by direct method. Most of the animals show the development as direct, that is without larval stages, wherein the young ones are resembling the adults immediately after the birth. They resemble the adults. Such a development we refer as direct development because it do not involve larval stages. But some other animals also exhibit indirect development also. Indirect development because they know what? Yes, what? Larval stage. What stage? Larval stage. The larva of mollusca are known as Glochidium larva, and other is known as Veliger, Veliger larva. If you go in detail, one more larva name is there. There is a trophophore larva. I am avoiding it here because I am just mentioning. Why? Because I have told you that in annelid also trophophore larva. So here there are many different types of larvas. One is Glochidium larva, other is Veliger larva. Also we see trophophore larva also, if you remember. Clear? So the economic importance of these animals. Economic importance. The shells are used in the preparation of calcium tablets. That's what we call it as shell caul. What we call? Shell caul. You might have seen shell caul 500. So what do you mean by that shell caul? Shell caul means shells are from the outer coverings of these animals. Shells, and caul refers to calcium. Moreover, these shells are also added in jaggery during the manufacture of jaggery, preparation of the jaggery. Clear? Fine. You add their shells are added so that as a decolorizing agent also, because the jaggery will be dark brown in color. After adding this shells powder, the color of the jaggery will also reduce. It becomes brighter, and also it acts as a very good source of calcium. So eating natural jaggery as source of calcium is very good rather than going for shell caul tablets. And the octopus, it is known as devilfish. What is known as devilfish? The ink, because I told you the blood is blue in color, right? So the secretion, it also secretes a protective liquid that is used as erection ink, fine. Other animals, example of these animals, octopus. It belongs to phylum Mollusca class Gastropoda. Classes levels are not there for you. Then one is shells, means snails. Commonly what we call as snails. Garden snail, apple snail. It is known as Pila glabusa. Then one more known as Scipia. It is also known as cuttlefish. Very big fish, Scipia. It is commonly known as cuttlefish. It is known as devilfish. Very soft, right? Then snails like garden snail, apple snail, what we call what we call them as phyla globosa. One is animal known as a dentalium. It is also known as elephant tusk-like because it looks like that, dentalium. So many animals are there. It has three classes: gastropoda, cephalopoda. Classes are not there in your syllabus. So mollusca, I repeat once again, soft-bodied animals. Most of them are marine. Some are freshwater. Few are terrestrial animals. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. They are triploblastic, having three gel layers. Eucoelomates. They possess a definite body cavity. They show organ system level of organization. The body is divisible into three parts: head, visceral mass, and muscular foot. It is covered by a protective covering known as mantle. Above the mantle, we come across calcareous shell. The body is unsegmented. It has a rasping mouth called radula. The digestive system is of complete type. Why? Because of the two openings. Respiration takes place through gills, general body surface, and mantle. Circulatory system is of open type. Blue color blood because of the pigment hemocyanin. Excretion takes place through metanephridia, ammonotelic, uricotelic. Reproduction takes place through unisexual. Unisexual animals. Sexual reproduction takes place. Fertilization is external. Development is shown both direct and indirect because it involves glochidium and veliger larval stages. Economic importance: the shells of these animals are used as a source of calcium, and examples are like octopus, sepia, phyla globosa, all those things. Fine. Do take very good care of yourself. Repeatedly watch this class. Watch this class. Keep studying. Refer the material. Any doubts you have, you can contact me on WhatsApp number. Good day. Take care.